So today is the first day of classes for many universities across the country, and some of you might start next week. And I just wanted to share with you a message that I think a lot of us need to hear right now. We are in a time of unprecedented teaching, and it's okay if you don't feel prepared. It's okay if your Blackboard and your learning management system doesn't look perfect and amazing and hyper polished. It's okay if you only have a week or two of content or even a day's worth of content ready to go and you just plan to stay a little bit ahead of your students. Just doing your best right now is okay. You do not have to be perfect. The thing that's going to make a difference to your students this semester and make a lasting impression and change people's lives isn't your content. It isn't how well your content is prepared and delivered or any of that. The thing that is going to make the difference is you and your humanity and your care and your love and your service to your students. And so I want you to remember that this semester and maybe next, what is important is you loving on your students and supporting them and caring for them and understanding that the world is kind of a shit show right now. And we are all in that shit show. You and your students. And that's okay. We're in it together. We're going to support each other. We're going to work together. And we will get through this. And you will get through this teaching online and this different world that we are living in, and you're going to come out the other side better for it. You're going to be a better educator, a better teacher, and you're going to learn skills that you could adapt back into your face-to-face classes when we are finally able to come back together. And so I just want you to keep that in mind as you go into this first week or two of teaching, that what matters most right now is not your curriculum, is not your content. It's you and how you care for your students and your colleagues. If you want more support as we go through this, I want to encourage you to join our mastermind group. The link is in the comments down below. We have weekly support opportunities and accountability opportunities, and there's a ton of other like-minded educators just like you in there who are navigating uncharted waters, and it helps to have people to bounce ideas off of or discuss, is this working, is this not, that sort of thing, or what should I do in this situation. We can do all this prep to start the semester out well, but once you're knee-deep in it, it can be hard to know where to turn. I want to be able to help support you, so if you want the details on joining our community mastermind group, down below in the comments. I'd love to have you in there. Good luck. We'll see you soon.